Good morning. Good morning. We'll see what we got today. We are a little bit struggling. It's alright. We're at the low of the day. Trying to get a crack at it again. We're gonna situate our rectangles. Wow. Alright, we're gonna do the first one, which is gonna be right here. I seem to like the first one. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Here we go. Hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Patiently waiting patiently. We got orders at 29,500. FMOC at 2. Let's see.
Nice and easy. We caught that from the 80s. Damn, I missed signal for you guys. Sorry, this thing is moving way too fast. The 80s and the 600s is what we hit. Damn, I feel bad. You guys didn't catch that, but at least I caught it. Sheesh, that was so fast. My apologies. Yeah, we're taking it slow today. I ain't telling you that. Of course, the music goes out, bro. Keep playing. Yeah, the idea was for us to bounce off the previous day low. We had that idea last night as well. We caught a little bit of the jump up. Some of this jump up we caught. Definitely retouched the bound. Came back high. We're on the way to retouch the bound. We're hitting a new day. We're clicking opening, so chances of us rebounding here are high. Especially it being 840, 930-ish over here. If we do want dumpers, it would happen over here probably, or if we want to dump, overcome them, and keep on going. But this pump is going to be a decent size right now. And it could reject quite quickly as well, so yeah. Man, we're patiently waiting. We patiently waiting. Good morning. That's crazy. From 29,550 to 29,665 in less than 10 minutes. 100 points. Do, do, do. Yeah, I'm pretty much done for the day. Today was a quick day. I logged in, saw something, got in, done. Is there still more room for people to make money on the same direction that I said? Of course, but I'm done for the day. Yeah. Yeah, so that means you went below the maximum amount allowed for you to lose. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Like, for you, earning money is not the goal because it doesn't help you like figure out anything. Like, even if you get the $5,000 payout, even if you get the $10,000 payout, you're gonna lose all the $10,000 you paid out if you don't understand what you're doing. Still, you know, you can get lucky. People get lucky. Like, they pay enough times, buy enough accounts, and all of a sudden they get a little winning streak and they get a payout. And then they think they figured it out, which is what happened to me also. And then you go and you take that money, you buy accounts, and you're like, yo, I'm gonna go heavy now because I know what I'm doing. And then it blows. And then you're like, yo, no, nobody says that. You're supposed to get usually what they say before you think about that type of stuff. You need to get payouts for 6 to 8 months consistently. So you're not blowing a single account for 6 to 8 months. That's how you know you're ready for this shit. After you not blowing an account for 6 to 8 months, on top of that, you have 6 to 8 months worth of money that you took out on top of that. So you're 6 to 8 months, like, got a streak. You got a streak for 6 to 8 months, and you got the capital to survive for 6 to 8 months if your streak would die. If you don't have either of those, you shouldn't be thinking about your job, leaving your job or anything like that. You know what I mean? One payout doesn't do anything. You need to know that you can do this month after month after month after month after month. You have to know that you can do this, have a bad month, negative month, positive month, positive month, negative month. You have to know you can survive that. If you cannot, then you can't like hop off a job yet. I have bad days too, but the difference is with my bad days, I slow down. I don't go crazy. Cause I know if I go crazy, I won't have another day. I won't live another day then, bro. Yeah, yeah. They're trading. It depends. It depends if it makes sense. Nobody would invest in like I don't want to say names out loud because I'm live, but for example, like they do. Some of them have real estate. Some of them have stocks that they put like long term for 2 3 years. They do plays that are 2 3 years long instead of doing like 5 10 minute plays. Then they also have the courses they sell to people, right? Like the coaching. So they teach, so they make money from teaching. Exactly. And then like the fourth thing is they sell also like their content, right? Like you watch them, even if you're not paying for courses, you watching them, YouTube pays them. So that's another source of income. Yeah, so like because people are watching them, they're advertising ads for YouTube, and this way they're getting paid, even though you guys are watching for free. That's another way. Yeah. Why would they need? Okay, so give me. They they look at like business plans that are smart, right? They're not thirsty for investing because they know how to make their money make money. They're only investing in good opportunities. Like not almost quick returns, but also like for sure returns. And like yeah, and like we don't. If I can make $2,000 here, right? For example, why would I invest $200,000 to make $2,000 again? What? For example, like your brother-in-law wants. Yeah. No internet? No. You need internet. Yes, it does. No, for retail, yes, you make more than 50% of your money from credit cards, not cash. More than 50%. That's what I'm saying. You wouldn't be able to pay the bills then. Neil wouldn't be able to pay the bills with his business. He wouldn't be making enough. That's you're assuming that people would still go in your shop even if it was inconvenient for them and they had to go to ATM and pay a 4 transaction fee, and they can't do that without internet. Again, ATM doesn't work without internet. Oh, yeah, then retail business would not exist the way it is right now. You wouldn't be able to afford. That's taking more than 50% of your income. Then how are you paying bills? How are you paying employees? You won't make it. Internet is what gave opportunity to a lot of people to become millionaires in different ways. It's not only computer. Yeah. Yes, but that's what I was saying. Like there was booms, right? Like there was industrial boom, which is steel and railroads. Then there was technology boom. Then there was real estate boom. Every single boom that happens, that doesn't mean the last boom doesn't happen. The last boom is still booming. Like for example, steel boomed, internet boomed, and so did traveling at the same time. So steel is still booming. Like it's not like one industry is dying. No, it's still multiplying. So for example, we have real estate business and we have cash businesses and internet, me trading stocks and stuff. Guess what? Internet is still booming because of that, because I'm contributing. Yeah, it's still growing crazy. So those people who are coding and doing AI, their industry is growing because people like me are customers. Yeah, more jobs are being created. Like everyone's complaining about jobs, not enough jobs and unemployment. That's because people are now willing to learn new skills that are needed for these new jobs that are happening in this new world. Those are old jobs. Those are from the last boom. Yeah, they still booming though. They are growing in itself. I don't know. I don't know if you're always gonna need it, but right now we need it. Right now we need it. What? Oh, you're done with the run? You did a run today? Oh. Yeah. I'm mad sore, and yesterday was a rest day. I'm still mad sore. I think it was because of the competition. Yeah, and like you have to. The way I like to do this, like I don't know if it'll help you, but it helps me because I don't look at it as like I need to get it done. No, I think about it as in like I'm about to enjoy myself because no one's gonna rush me. No one's gonna tell me how to do it. I'm the boss right now. And this is my time to just relax, and then I try to get into it. And that's why I smoke because like I just nobody bother me. Like I'm running. Yeah, go ahead. But I that usually does not work. In a world where everybody's doing what they like, that's not a pretty world. If you think about it. Yeah, but they're two different things. I told you I suggest you do your health first. Cause the what how you figure out your routine for health is gonna help you apply that to trading immediately. While you're doing two at the same time is might be too much juggling for you. That's true. Damn, boys and girls, we went from 29,550 to 29,750. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 1 hour. Oh no, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 25 minutes. Jeez. Yeah, it went from $200 up, and every single point is remember $2, right? For one, I was in at 30, so 60 every single point. Yes, sir. When I hopped on, it was already moving up. I seen that. I seen that little breakout, and I seen a little volume. I seen the close above. We got it. All right. All right, go do your little jog. All right. Rocky trend lines. What'd you say? What'd you say? Mm. But it hit 20,000. But it hit 29,400 almost. It hit 29,400 almost. Yeah, so it hit 29,435 at 2:10 a.m. That would have taken any single position that was long at 8. Anybody who got in at 8 for a long, which was me, would have been out at 2 a.m., which is London Open. Then all the way up until 4, which is London close, basically, or like the end of the day for London. It reached the 600 that I was trying to say. It was trying to go. 600 was the goal for me. But it decided to take my position out in the next session before going there. Now, We opened the day going back down, but we stopped ourselves before the low of the day. So the low of the day seemed like the floor. As soon as we started bouncing back up from the floor of the day, which is 29,513, still remember 514, that's the level we were looking at yesterday. As soon as we were at this 800 before going down, and then possibly 900 before going down. Because in the last 30 minutes, it went 200. It went up 200 points already in the last 20 minutes. Me too. I got in at 5. My price was 580. So basically 515 pushed bounced, and then I seen it trying to overcome back to the upside, getting closer to 600. So at 580 I entered. My target was only 600, but that shit just went from 580 to 750. Yeah, I took it all, but throughout the whole move, I started logging into different accounts and I was executing on different accounts on the same move. So on the first account, we did $550 across 5 accounts. And then the second one we did was $300 across 1 account. And then we did one more. On my phone, we did one more. Oh, no, we didn't do the one on the phone. Yeah, but that was pretty good. Considering last night was an amazing day for me. I hit 4,500 on 3 accounts last night. And then I hit $1,000 on 5 accounts last night also. So that's what? That's 9. That's almost 15 grand I made last night. And today was just like another what? 2-3,000. Yeah, I'm trying to. I blew some accounts though. I'll be like, 100% transparent. I blew some accounts. It was pretty. This fuck. The sideways action that we had was messing me up. We've been in downtrend heavy, but then the sideways action that we had in the 30,000 areas, that messed me up. When we were between 30,300 and 30,000, that messed me up. And now we're at the bottom again, and it's pretty clear where we're going. At least 800s, just to make it make sense. But damn, today's gonna be a short stream. We're only gonna be here for another 2-3 minutes maybe. I'm not really gonna stay here long, guys. Huh? No, I just don't want to be on the stream. If I'm not executing something, and if I can't tell you guys what I'm doing, then what's the point of you guys watching me, The whole point is you guys listen to what I'm doing. And then maybe take some information from that. We broke the 4-hour high already. Oh, we got this. We can take this bar away. Then we broke this one as well already. But do we have another one up here somewhere? Top of the hour. I wouldn't mind calling. Oh, what? Yeah, I like that. Top of the hour. waiting for the top of the hour. Yeah, we're rejecting 750. 750 is giving a hard time to them. Looks like 800 is not in the cards yet, guys. Overall, though, this is great momentum. Like, if anybody would have entered at any point in the last 30 minutes, you, well, yeah, for buys, you would have easily got a 1-to-1 just following any 5-minute candle in the last 30-minute candle and went for a 1-to-1. You would have clapped that easily. Bless you. You know, you could have done it at 8:25. You could have done it at 8:30, 8:35, 8:40, 8:45. You still would have been good. Plenty of time to enter. Well, what do we broke that? We broke 750. It's going 750 again. I think there's one more. I think there's one more imbalance. Where is it? Where is it? Is that it? No. Oh, I think this is the one. This is right here. It's good. That's where sellers are defending. Yeah, that 800 level, 750 level is gonna be harsh. Definitely want to see a pullback before we try to continue pushing up. That was a healthy 200 points. Now, if we can get like a retracement, possibly to like 650-ish, bounce off like 650-ish, and never closing below 680 would be nice. But sellers are eating up the late buyers now. Anybody who bought at 845 is getting they're getting their pickle tickled. Yeah, they sweating, bro. They're clenching right now. They clenching, right? If you enter at 845, you clenching right now hard. Yeah, if anyone enter at 845 for buys for a 1-to-1, you clenching right now. uh, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. It did. It is 9. It's still only 2 minutes. There's a big order sitting at 29,600. It's a 58 amount order. Now, I don't know if 29,600 is there to just fool everybody into thinking that's where we're going, and they're just flashing that order, or that order is a real order and that thing is gravitating to it to take it out. Those are the only two options right now. And it being 9 a.m. right now, there could be some idiot out there who put a buy a little too early with a stop loss at 600. And now he's going to get squished. Oh, man. Yeah, whoever got in at 8:45, get out. That's a break-even day. Get the hell out. This is not financial advice. This is for all entertainment purposes. Had to make that clear real quick. It's nice when you make some money and then you sit out and observe. You feel so patient. You're like, damn, why didn't I have this before the trade? Yeah, the dude at 600 is just sitting there like a sitting duck, bro. And granted, it takes some time to get there, but it took us only 20 minutes to get this high. It could take us even less to get that low. Because sells are always faster than buys. And then when you lose, you go back and quadruple the size. Yeah, that's what he did, bro. But it's like everyone has those type of days, bro. Those days where you just don't know how to take a loss and you just keep loading another one and another position, and it's like today's nobody winning type of day, and you keep trying to win. Like those are the days you gotta sit back. Like I still have yet to learn that myself, honestly. Like you're good at sitting out, and I'm just like, nah, I gotta get my I either get my dub or my L, and then I'll sit back. But it's hard to view a day that's not doing anything as a winning day sometimes. Especially when you're like on a winning streak. It's like, damn, I made 0 today. It feels like a loser day. 700s in the way. We had a really good burst of sellers. Let's see if they can continue this. This is already canceled out, I think. Let me see. It's gonna cancel down. This got canceled out. We got canceled out. Oh, that's crazy, y'all. Oh, okay. I was about to say, you're in my thing. I was on my channel. Oh, oh, it's somebody else. Cause it went from 000 to like average view count to 39. Like what? Who's just been watching me for 40 minutes? Basically the whole time. Right, this YouTube thing is mad late sometimes. It's crazy. My little position here was so tiny. 81 points. 80 I got 81 points, but this shit was like 200. It's crazy. Oh, not in even 81 points. Nigga, it was 21 points. What are you talking about? It was a 20-point move that I caught. Uh, 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 uh. If anyone. Buyers at 9:10, 9:10 almost. Okay. I'm not convinced yet, though. I'm not convinced. And if it does pump out, like pump out of this break over 750 before market open, I'm even more concerned now. Like, why would I get in now, you know? Like, it might have duped everybody. Join the Discord. Join the Discord. That's where the real sauce is. I'll give you any answer you need in the Discord. All right. I think we done streaming. It basically went to the levels that I foreshowed. Or maybe I'll leave it running for a little bit. So you no, no, not even. I made it on 3 different accounts today. I'm gonna chill. And then last night I made it on 3 different accounts. I'm gonna chill. It would be nice if I had copy traded everything, and it would have been fire. I would have had like a crazy day. But I think I did so good because I didn't copy it, you know? My nervous system went down a little bit. I wasn't as like nervous because it was one account. It was less pressure. Sometimes more pressure is not good, but it's hard to operate in it. 2 hour news ago. Bonds in, robots bonds out, robots in. That sounds like positive news for NASDAQ. Bonds out, robots in. Right now, bonds are inflated. So if you tell me bonds out, robots in, you tell me everyone getting out of bonds and going into NAS now? What happened to the 600 order? What the hell? All right, the 600 order is still there. Yeah, I think they just put it there so people are trying to sell into it. And it's not an actual order that's going to get hit. It's to fool everybody. For now, at least. We failed to break below the bullish imbalance. We are now breaking the bearish imbalance. Let's see if we can close above it. We got about 2.5 minutes into it. We close above this bearish imbalance. I could see an upside. I could see a position entry here. At least towards 800s again. Or, yeah, 800s. Two minutes left. Let's see how it does. It needs to hold 725s. Stay there. We got 2 minutes. I'm gonna go change real quick. But ideally, I want for this candle to close, and we would wait for like an 800 pump right here. Let's do like a 1-to-1. 1.5 minutes. If this closes above 725, that's a good entry. Just gotta wait. Two minutes left, 1 minute left. Can it hold it? If it don't hold it, Needs to hold that. No, it doesn't want to hold it. Doesn't want to hold it. 730s, hold it. Damn, the laundry cart was not refilled. Well, we paid the laundry machine with a card that you refill. No. No. All right, 5. It's not, bro. Oh. Wow, it closed right at 25. Motherfucker. Yeah, that was a weak close, but still. That's good enough for like someone to enter on a 1-to-1, not gonna lie. It'll be like a 725 entry. Waiting for 800s to hit. Stop loss would be at 650. 50 for 50. 50 for 50. Yeah, I don't think that 600 order is getting cracked, bro. It's there, but I don't know. I'm scared that at market open is just gonna crack that 600. Like it's 930, boom, hits 600, bounces right back up. It could do that. All right, so I entered a little position for fun. For fun. We put it on buys from 625. And we're aiming for 800 or we're losing. He said, hell no. That's how Rocky talks. Hell no, are you stupid? it's yeah, it's either you stupid or you gay. Go to cash rate. Yeah, that's cojones, bro. You never know. The river card could be horrible. You can have king king, and then what comes out is like 1 2 3. Man, I've been feeling to go play poker. Not gonna lie. Yo 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 yo. 10 minutes. What are you talking about? Yo, you delayed. Your information is delayed. I say it ahead of time, so people can be 1 minute early. Damn, I gotta go to the physical. Still stream. Yeah, I just leave it. Yeah, alright. Alright, my take profit is set, guys. My stop loss is set. I am going to be right back in like 30 minutes, probably. But I don't see anything happening really. We're just taking a little small 1-to-1 trade, trying to target 800s before we crap the bed. Market open in 9 minutes. It could get pretty nasty and volatile. If it stops me out, my stops are in place. I don't care. 650 and then 800. Good luck, everyone. Having a little gamble today, since the morning was pre-market was so good. Now I go. People can rewind and listen to me. I'm bugged out. I'm trying to get an earphone. The earphone's already in my ear. So you basically do the same trade I'm doing right now. Basically from 625, and we're 806, no 725. It already broke. That's crazy. Yeah, 750's in the way still. 750 in the way. After it punctures 750, I want that shit to go pop, 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 like straight up. 20, 30, 40 points, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So after 750, I want that shit to go boom, like 20, 30 points up real quick. Hopefully that's the right hand market open. Bah, bah, bah. And then it can crash and do whatever the fuck you want after. It can go ahead and crash. Kamikaze itself after. Trading is fun. Trading is fun. I just pop forward. Massage myself back. Nobody would be calling me Mr. Trendline and stuff. Somebody on the bar. What are we doing? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Nothing. It's doing nothing. Yo, why you say the cat's trying to block my way? Sorry. Like, bro, nobody got the money. Yo, give me 2 million today. You're retired. You're retired. Yeah, I know. Trust me, my girl asks me all the time. Is it day to day? Trust me.
The other ones take a little bit more effort. You wanting us to read. Just like, you know how risky it is. It's also how risky it is for him. He's not in a position of, at least that's me. Big guys both beaches.